the universe's largest volcano. Mount Everest is huge, but space laughs at it. Mars's Olympus Mons is the tallest volcano in the entire solar system, nearly 3 times taller than the Everest and the size of Arizona. Would you climb it? Comment below if you'd try. For more mind-blowing and intriguing facts, keep following Factology Hub 1.0. Keep thinking.